told me what it could
So we got something jumps out at you. Thank you.
I don't even know what it is.
Oh man, you just give it away. Tell him it's gonna blow up and you say, oh, well, what it is.
Morgan, put
It's
that
gonna
back.
blow up.
You didn't get this one? Don't know where it came from?
Doesn't even say you connected.
So I need to?
Put that in there.
Charge thing in here. Put in your pocket now.
Start putting your trash in there.
That's what I'm talking
Doesn't
about.
even tell you what you use the, how to use
Telling you.
the
This
Better watch
is
it.
my driver now.
You like that?
That's
Don't
Go
good
ahead.
stuff. You
Don't
gotta,
go
hey,
ahead.
keep that box.
Don't tear my phone.
Golly, what a club.
Take
It's
it
like a
back.
fishing pole right now.
What are they?
Wilson?
FMs?
Mom,
Wilson.
see if we can trade them.
Wilsons?
Breaking out my button on.
This is the kind of bag I need.
Well, it's,
Crazy bag.
Man, I'm gonna go out there and ride this.
Start at the beginning.
Alright. What do you got? Big old cellophane ball?
Start unwrapping it.
Keep on wrapping.
Cellophane.
It's a ball.
Man, Dad had to wrap that one, huh?
What?
You got mom's thing for that one.
And just keep unwrapping it single like that.
good grief.
It could bite you.
Did you wrap that, Jason? That looks like you're wrapping.
Good Lord, they used the whole roll.
I think Jackie wrapped it.
She's the only one with the patience.
But that might tell you something.
It looks like a key on it.
If Jackie wrapped it,
It's like we were smuggling something.
Oh
Yeah,
my
that's
gosh,
what I was
it does.
saying. It looks like
Looks like a
drugs.
brick.
Like a,
Yeah.
a brick of powder.
It's too light for that.
Yep.
That was the whole point for you to work for it, I guess.
you think?
Crap.
Oh, yeah, baby. You're gonna make me
Never
laugh.
mind.
Oh, you got it all.
Do it again.
You got
Jackie
to.
knows what she's
I think
doing.
she did that just to give you hope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you.
You ain't even got nowhere close yet, have you? Just think how thin that is and how thick that is.
I might know what
This is not what.
Maybe,
You're welcome, baby girl.
if you're
I
lucky.
hope you like it.
Anyway,
Okay. Yeah. We gotta watch Brenden first, okay?
Oh man, what was she thinking?
She might be here by the time he gets done with that.
Yeah.
okay.
Get a pocket knife and
Are you giving up yet?
No, it might explode. Brayden, look. Look, you press this button. Turns it on. And I press the lock button. Turns it off. And I don't know what the other one is. I think it might be Bluetooth.
Finally getting to something. I see something in there.
Oh, really?
I
Where?
see a box.
I don't believe
All I
it.
see is
don't think
saran wrap.
There's a box.
Oh, you get
Not yet.
it's
Wait,
getting
we gotta
smaller.
watch.
now it's finally.
Oh, easy, easy. There's
That's-
something. Look, there's something. What is that?
Look, you're pressing it.
No, I turned it up.
That's saran wrap. Tough stuff.
Oh, I see some
You like
black.
that present?
Look like I spent $100 worth of saran wrap, Jay.
No
Oh, that's
kidding.
just one roll.
Or two.
And Jackie wanted to see you do that. You better be glad that your dad's letting you do this.
My chef is gonna get here and be like, oh man, he opened it.
Now she's gonna get here and she's gonna
Hey, what'd
say,
you get there?
is he finished?
Car charger.
It's
A what?
charger.
Why'd you need that?
A charger for what?
I guess it is.
For a cigarette lighter.
Stop.
For USB car charger. He knew what it was. He knew exactly what it was.
Huh.
Didn't you?
That?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You,
Man, there's
used,
glitter
you
on it.
used them?
A car charger?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Get out, man.
It'll be sparkly just like me.
Wait, we're watching
What's
Brenden.
that? What's that?
I sent
Does it
things
smell
to your
good?
car.
That's the hang in the bathroom when you go
That's
pee.
for your mama's car.
That's because you stink when you get through playing
It's
sports.
just got a bobo in her ear.
Now you gotta put the, you know where you put those in your shoes when you're playing football.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Even in the bathroom, even in the car.
What do you want, girl? Something wrong? Huh?
No.
Something wrong?
Yeah.
You don't like
Good
the little
grief.
people around? Huh?
Hey, Ranger. Hey,
She's
Take a nap.
alright. She's alright.
Get out of the way, Mom.
Ranger.
He's gonna open it. It's gonna be like a little tiny nerd. About that nerd.
Did you break a sweat yet?
We'd let you just use a knife, but you can't use a knife.
We're going on 6 minutes here.
It would just, it would
Oh, you're timing you.
Huh?
6 minutes now.
Yep.
You ain't never took that long to open a present, have you?
No, that's wrong.
Ranger.
Start on again tomorrow. Happy New Year.
You're gonna have to give Jackie a big hug. She loves you a lot to do something like that. Just for you. You know that?
She's paying you back for whatever you did to her.
Sure.
Yeah, that's a lot of it, I'm sure.
And she's paying you back a little bit of what Jason did.
It's one wrap for every gray hair.
Grenade.
What's that?
Does it smell good?
That's for each shoe.
Wow.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
That was really
Both
stink.
grenades.
Oh, get out of the way, they're recording.
Nobody's gonna be saying he's gonna be 100. It's gonna be bones. And he's gonna still.
Are you getting tired of opening or what?
My shoulders killing me.
Well, we're not helping. You don't have a knife.
Yay.
And Jason's not giving you his, and I'm not giving you one. Keith's not giving you one.
There's probably a knife in the middle of it.
I bet it is.
Oh, man.
If it is.
It's probably got a note in there too, just from Jack.
Maybe I can wrap it back up and do it just for fun.
Hey, you got this something else.
We got a
No,
4-inch thick roll of saran wrap.
I hear something rattling in there.
I bet you it's a knife.
Sounds like gobstoppers.
Rip it.
That's a
Imagine
serious
how long
face.
it took her to do
Yeah,
that.
should have gave me this.
You'd be surprised how
You can
fast
get
she
one
is.
else to go.
She probably did that in about 5 minutes.
It's easy wrapping. It's the unwrapping part.
I watched her do it. She did this, this, this,
Oh,
this,
Oh,
And just
and they
got
tied
got
it
rid
to
of
knots
them.
the whole way through it, to where it couldn't just.
rip it.
Well, she did an awesome job to piss you off.
It's working.
Oh, it's tinier. Finally.
We would have, help, but
We're too lazy.
I'm old.
This is building the excitement.
It ran out.
Aunts and uncles and your dad, we're all too old to help you do anything
What about his brother?
like that. No, you're too young.
I'm lazy.
Okay, then you're too lazy.
Hey, keep playing golf. That's a lazy man's sport.
Yeah, and you make lots of money at it.
That pays pretty good.
Brenden, I think one of my cords is under here.
Cord?
Yeah.
You probably won't find it. No.
Why is it over here?
You gotta look in the box.
Because that's
That'd be
where he
That's why
was
you gotta
sitting.
keep that box.
yeah.
How many minutes now?
I don't know. It keeps stopping. I guess it's gone too far.
Coming back and then.
It's been
No.
at least 6
Don't do
minutes.
it.
Yeah, it's been about 8 minutes.
No, that's Brendan's blue cord.
You know why she got
Keychain.
pointed that? Keychain. Is it cool? Hey, I like
We're
the.
testing out my new speakers.
You like them?
Yeah, well, we're watching
Mine's the same way. I can't even take a picture.
Dad, can I use your knife?
Maybe this
All
too
right, now, hold
nice.
on.
Oh, yeah, open it.
Is there actually a box in there?
I should have gave that to you at the damn airport.
Yeah.
Is there a box in there?
I guess you don't carry a pocket knife or what?
He comes
It's in my bag. Can't take it to the airport. I done lost 4 of them.
Oh,
sleeping record.
Your dad lost a couple that I bought for him.
He lost the
They
last.
confiscate them if
I
you.
lost one at Thanksgiving, taking him back to the airport on the way back through. Quick.
God.
Yep.
Oh, you got it back? Jason. What is that? A box.
Oh, all for a box.
Yeah, is it taped all up?
What's in the box?
Time for the big reveal.
We ain't giving you no
You need a
knife.
pocket knife.
I'll be
What
damned.
is that?
What is that?
Keys to something.
Just something?
You better go see what it
Press
opens.
the alarm button.
Keys to my truck.
I don't know if you can hear it. You might have to walk.
To your truck, Ricky?
Yeah.
Keys to your truck?
That's keys to the green truck.
He has it
What do
on
you think?
Press the alarm button.
Oh, yeah.
Walk
That
outside.
green truck's yours.
Walk
Believe that?
outside.
Go unlock the ring.
The green
Let's
truck?
go see what
Go
his
see
truck
if
is.
it unlocks the green truck. If it will, then you can have it.
Mo, come here.
Hey,
Mo.
Rocker.
Come here.
Come on, stay inside.
Tucker, come here.
Last person gets the door.
Yeah.
Is that remote start?
You better start crying. Jason said you didn't start crying.
Tucker's out here somewhere.
Okay. He'll be all right.
Tucker, inside. Go, Tucker. Go on.
Just you and your dad. Go take it a spin.
Not yet. I gotta look at it. Don't leave that.
Oh, watch your toes. Oh, God.
Go.
I'm trying, but I want to be able to get them.
They got a remote start?
You need to go with him. Get in the back seat. Go with him.
All right. Push it forward.
Sounds good. That thing is clean.
Go get in, Jason. Here, get in over here.
Let him hang out. Yeah, just let him.
You gotta figure what all the buttons do first.
Yeah. Brenden.
Oh, you got the light.
All the way around.
What?
You got the lights shining down in the center well.
Okay. Oh.
Janine,
What?
you want to go?
No, let him ride. Go. Go. Ride. Go. Ride.
Probably driving on.
Yeah.
You can't even turn on the radio, boy.
You're all right.
That's good, huh?
That's a little bit much, I think.
have.